Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. The first thing you need to do, import your video file that you want to work into Premiere Pro. Then drop the video into timeline. As you can see here, I have already added a video clip to my timeline. Go to Effects panel. On the Effects tab here, search or type Crop Effect, and you can see the crop under Video Effects transform. Just click on Crop Effect and drag onto your video clips in the timeline. Then go ahead to Effects Controls panel above your timeline. Here, you will find Crop Effect settings for your clip. You can see the crop parameter and these different sides that you can crop like left, top, right, and bottom of your video. Here, you can adjust the percentage of crop that you want from 0 to 100. You can crop out a side or half of clip or whatever else parts of clip that you want. Let's start with the left one. Let's just click here and drag it. You can see the effect right. Let's say I want it to be somewhere here. On the right side, let's just click maybe to somewhere here, and from the top to somewhere here. Same to bottom sides. It's all a matter of clicking and dragging. Now, you have successfully cropped out your video. Now you can either move the position or zoom this video. To move video, on the top here, under Position Motion, you can just click and drag it here. It depends on the nature of your project. You also can zoom this video. Just click Zoom under Crop Settings parameter. Otherwise, you add another video and crop it. Let's say I will drop another video on my timeline. I will repeat the same process on this video. Just click and drag Crop Effects on video. Then I will adjust the Crop Settings parameter here. On the left side, I want to be somewhere here. On the right side, somewhere here. And the bottom as well. I will move the position to somewhere here. So, that's the sort of effects that you can do. Now you can play through your video in the preview panel to ensure the crop effect looks as you intended. Thanks for watching my video.